To be holy simply means I am free from myself. Do you know what made Lucifer devil? Was because of personal interest. Say, is it wrong for me to desire that I want this and I want that? Has Bible not also spoken to me that the desires of the righteous shall be granted? Has God not also said it that whatever I desire shall be given to me? It was also the desires of Lucifer to have his throne above the throne of God. It started in his thought, because that's the fall of Lucifer. He said, you were perfect the day that thou was created, until iniquity was found in you. Iniquity itself. He saw it, just like anybody will tell you, if you can see it, you can have it. But not in this kingdom. If you see something against what is written, you cannot have it. If you will have it, then you have to be bundled out of this kingdom. In the kingdom of God, you don't do what you like. You do only what he has written.